Let's talk about money, but not in the way you might think. Money isn't just numbers on a spreadsheet or figures in a bank account. It's a part of our daily lives, influencing our decisions and shaping our futures. Forget complex equations or Wall Street jargon. While those have their place, they don't tell the whole story. This is about the psychology of money, how we think about it, feel about it, and ultimately, how those thoughts and feelings shape our financial realities. It's about understanding the deeper motivations behind our financial choices. Morgan Housel's book, The Psychology of Money, is your essential guide on this journey. It dives into the human side of finance, exploring how our personal histories and emotions influence our financial behavior. He brilliantly unravels the often overlooked truth: financial success isn't primarily about intelligence or even financial literacy. It's about behavior. It's about how we react under pressure, how we handle risk, and how we plan for the future. We make countless financial decisions every day, from small purchases to major investments. Each decision, no matter how small, is influenced by our emotions and past experiences. Our behavior, driven by our emotions, beliefs, and experiences, plays a much bigger role than we realize. Understanding this is crucial. It's not just about what we know, but how we apply that knowledge in real-life situations. Once we grasp the psychology behind our financial habits, we can start making positive changes that lead to true wealth and fulfillment. By understanding our own financial psychology, we can make better decisions, reduce stress, and achieve our financial goals with greater ease. Let's bust some common money myths that might be holding you back from achieving true financial freedom and security. Myth number 1. Wealth is for the lucky few. Many people believe that only a select few can achieve wealth, often attributing it to luck or inheritance. Wrong. Wealth is rarely about luck. It's about making informed and strategic decisions over time. It's about consistently making smart financial decisions, even if they seem small. These small decisions add up over time to create significant wealth. Think saving diligently, investing wisely, and spending consciously. These habits form the foundation of financial success. Myth number 2. You need a high income to be wealthy. This is a common misconception that prevents many from pursuing financial independence. Nope. How you manage your money matters more than how much you earn. Effective money management can lead to wealth accumulation regardless of income level. A high earner who overspends can end up worse off than someone with a modest income who budgets and invests wisely. It's all about financial discipline and planning. Myth number 3. Investing is risky. Many shy away from investing due to fear of losing money. Not always. While investments come with inherent risks, spreading your money across different asset classes can mitigate those risks. Diversification is key. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investments helps protect your wealth from market volatility. By challenging these myths, we open ourselves up to new possibilities and empower ourselves to take control of our financial destinies. Embrace these truths and start your journey towards financial freedom today. Budgeting often gets a bad rap, but it's not about deprivation. It's about awareness and control. Think of it as a financial roadmap, guiding you towards your goals. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Numerous apps and tools can help you do this effortlessly. Once you understand where your money is going, you can make informed decisions about saving and spending. Prioritize your needs over wants. This doesn't mean sacrificing all the fun stuff. It's about making conscious choices and finding joy in experiences rather than material possessions. Remember, a budget isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. Freedom from financial stress, freedom to pursue your passions, and freedom to build the life you desire. Investing is like planting seeds for your future wealth. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Don't be intimidated by the stock market. Start small and gradually increase your investments as you gain confidence. Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs, which offer diversified exposure to the market. Remember the power of compound interest. Your money earns interest, and then that interest earns interest, creating a snowball effect over time. Investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's a path to building wealth. By adopting a long-term perspective and staying disciplined, you can harness the power of compounding to secure your financial future. The power of compounding. Time is your ally. Compounding is like magic, but hey, it's not about spells or potions, it's about time and consistency. The longer your money compounds, the more powerful the effect. Imagine investing a small amount each month. Over time, that seemingly insignificant amount can grow into a substantial sum. The key is to start early and let time work its magic. Think of it like planting a tree. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. The same goes for investing. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now and let compounding do its thing. Stories of transformation. From struggle to success. These are tales of ordinary people who faced extraordinary challenges and emerged victorious. Countless individuals have transformed their financial lives by embracing the principles of financial psychology. Take Sarah, for example. Her journey is a testament to resilience and determination. She struggled with debt for years, living paycheck to paycheck. The weight of her financial burdens seemed insurmountable. She felt overwhelmed and hopeless, often questioning if she would ever find a way out of her financial turmoil. But then she decided to take control. She made a pivotal decision to change her financial habits and mindset. She created a budget, started tracking her expenses, and began investing small amounts regularly. Each step, though small, was a move towards a brighter future. Fast forward a few years, and Sarah is now debt-free and well on her way to financial independence. Her story is an inspiration to many. Or consider John, who grew up in a low-income household. His early years were marked by financial uncertainty and limited opportunities. He never thought he could achieve financial security. The idea of financial stability seemed like a distant dream, but John was determined to break the cycle. He committed himself to learning and understanding personal finance. He educated himself about personal finance, started investing early, and lived below his means. His disciplined approach paid off. Today, John is financially secure and enjoys the freedom and peace of mind that comes with it. His journey shows that with the right mindset and actions, financial freedom is attainable. These stories illustrate the transformative power of financial literacy and a positive money mindset. They remind us that no matter where we start, with the right tools and determination, we can achieve financial success. The psychology of money. It's more than numbers. Money is often seen as a purely financial matter, but it's deeply intertwined with our emotions, values, and beliefs. Our relationship with money is shaped by our upbringing, experiences, and even our personalities. Someone who grew up with financial insecurity might be more risk-averse, while someone who witnessed their parents achieve financial success might be more confident in their ability to build wealth. Understanding your own money psychology is crucial. What are your beliefs about money? What are your financial goals and aspirations? By exploring these questions, you can gain valuable insights into your financial behavior and identify areas for growth. Take control. Your financial future awaits. You have more control over your financial future than you might realize. It starts with shifting your mindset from one of scarcity to one of abundance. Embrace a growth mindset, believing that you can learn, adapt, and improve your financial literacy over time. Don't be afraid to seek help from financial advisors or mentors who can provide guidance and support. Remember, financial freedom is not a destination, it's a journey. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way, but by adopting a positive mindset and consistently applying sound financial principles, you can achieve your financial goals and live a life of abundance. Conclusion. Money, a tool for a fulfilling life. Money in itself is neither good nor bad. It's a tool, a means to an end. It's up to us to decide how we use it to create a fulfilling and meaningful life. By understanding the psychology of money, we empower ourselves to make conscious, informed decisions that align with our values and aspirations. We break free from limiting beliefs and embrace the possibilities that financial well-being can bring. Remember, financial success is not about amassing wealth for its own sake. It's about creating a life of freedom, security, and opportunity. A final thought: your journey to financial freedom. As Morgan Housel wisely said, building wealth is less about getting lucky and more about behaving in a way that makes the most of the luck you get. Your journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take control of your financial future today and watch as your efforts compound into a life of abundance and fulfillment.